Hello everyone, and how are you doing today? In this video I'll be sharing with you this very powerful liver cleanse drink to cleanse your liver so your liver can in turn be in good state to flush out all those toxins, dirt from your system, germ, diseases, so you can always stay healthy, free from illnesses and sicknesses. And equally, by cleansing dirt and diseases from your system, germs, it leaves your system so clean from the inside and it reflects outwardly. You in turn have that healthy glow to your skin. You look so healthy and glowing naturally. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, looking good. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to join us by clicking the red subscribe button right below this video so you don't miss any of my videos and you get to watch them on time as well. So in order to make the very powerful, using turmeric root, which is what we'll be using today, you just need 3 roots of turmeric. Turmeric is a very powerful medicinal herb. It helps support the detoxification of the blood and the system. It equally inhibits the production of some bad pigments, causing age spots, darkness on certain areas on the skin, that way leaving your skin looking glowing and ageless. It prevents blood clots. It has so many benefits. So after slicing, you want to wash up your turmeric, and this is the first ingredient for the juice. The second ingredient for this juice will be carrots. So carrots contain large amounts of beta carotene, which makes the skin glow from within. Carrots are highly rich in vitamin A as well, to help repair and prevent the cells from damaging, because when your outer layers, cells of your skin damage, you start experiencing wrinkles. So that is where vitamin A comes in. Vitamin A is very important to fight aging, and the beta carotene will help to glow your skin from within. So those are 3 carrots sliced and washed you want to add in your bowl. So in this bowl is carrot and turmeric in there. The next thing you want to add in here is any vitamin C fruit of your choice, and I will be going for lemons because lemons have so many benefits, most especially if you're diabetic or you have high blood issues. They help lower cholesterol. Lemons are equally highly rich in vitamin C to help with the glow of your skin from within. Lemons equally help boost your metabolism so you can digest and flush out toxins out of your system, which is what we are fighting here. It is very good to help flush toxins, support your system to detox itself. So you want to get 1 lemon, peel and slice as I just did, and add in your bowl of ingredients. So there are 3 ingredients in there now: turmeric, carrot and lemon. The next thing you want to get is beetroot. This is one of the world's most healthiest roots. So I'll be using both the roots and the leaves. So if you can get just the beetroots without the leaves, that is okay. But if you have both, you can just use all. Beetroots are so good as they help to purify and cleanse your skin from within. And when your blood is cleansed, you glow effortlessly from within. Beetroots are loaded with so many vitamins and minerals as well to glow your skin from within. So since I have the leaves, I will simply just slice and add them in my sliced beets. So this is what you do. You make sure you wash your ingredients. Very important, as those leaves can hide some bacteria. You want to take your time and rewash your beetroots. So voila, these are the ingredients. You want to now juice. If you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender to blend all your ingredients with. You can use a blender and use a sieve to sieve. But since I shared another video of something similar to this, I used my blender and sieved. This is another option you want to try with a juicer if you have a juicer. If you don't have a juicer, you can watch that video, or you ask me, I will link you up on how to blend this juice out with your blender. from that video. So yeah, this is it. You just put your ingredients in your juicer and extract. Like, the best thing about juicing, using a juicer to get your juice, is you get it in the real concentrated form, but not that when you blend you will not get the same thing. It's not like anything is destroyed, it's just that it is diluted, but this is really concentrated. So you want to drink everything at once to get all the fresh benefits in your system. Don't store, just make and drink at once. Drink everything at once. You can do this once or twice every month. You can make in large quantities, share with your family and friends, share with your husband, your boyfriend, whoever, your mom, your dad. Share with your family so we can all fight all these deadly illnesses and live longer. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.